Ladies and gentlemen, before the tip-off, it's time to present the block of appreciation to board directors of the Sinagliga Asia overseas. But first, let me first read the content. The SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup block of appreciation is given to Dr. Edward Castellano, State Director of Washington, D.C., Virginia, SLA International Executive, for his unwavering support and contribution to the success of Sinagliga Asia and for hosting the first SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Maraming salamat po, and given this 17th day of July at the Grand Sigiao Convention Center, City of San Fernando, Province of Pampanga, SLA We Are One. Signed, Sir Rocky Chan, Chairman. Also, Sir Ray Alao, the President, COO, Sir Leo Isaac, and Commissioner Rodney Santos. And to present the plaque appreciation, may we call on, of course, Sir Rocky Chan, the President of Sinagliga Asia, Commissioner Rodney Santos, and COO Coach Leo Isaac. First, may we call on Sir Dr. Edward Castellano. We also have Sir Rod Garcia, the Canada Director of Operations at Sinagliga Asia International Executive. Engineer Edmund Quintana, the East Coast Director of Operations of SLA International Executive. And Sir Enrico Quintana, the Vice President for SLA International. Maraming salamat po, gentlemen. And now, players, let's have the traditional handshake. 5 minutes warm-up before the tip-off.
Unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Our 15 under has been crowned and 3 more to be crowned today as we are back for more action on day 5 of your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup mula dito sa loob ng Brenzigiao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, the province of Pampanga, as we will have 2 of the undefeated squads in our 17 under, led by Curl Figueroa, who finished with 34 points and 15 rebounds in their win against Last Shot Dubai. He will be going up against the pint-sized rebounding demon of UBL, to si Sean Severo, who finished with 9 points and 11 rebounds together with 6 assists. Sila nga po ang magtatapat dito po sa ating 17 under finals, UBL San Felipe Neri kontra Pampanga Pradera. Muli po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Tañada, at kasama po natin the hardworking Royal Ernest from Antipolo himself, Coach Ernest. Hello, Coach. Eto na, 17 under finals. 2 teams that are undefeated will be going up against each other. One will go home with an unblemished record. One will go home na meron ng dumi sa record. And syempre, hindi mauwi ang titulo ng 17 under.
Good afternoon, Coach Alvin. Very happy to be covering this game with you. Tulad nga na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, ito yung game against 2 undefeated teams. So, let's see kung sino talaga yung magka-come out on top na talagang undefeated. Very clean record.
And syempre, hindi lamang tayo ang magtatrabaho dito. Meron tayong kasama the sweet princess from Blumentritt herself, Kimberly Advincula. Kim, how excited are you for this finals of the 17 under?
Super excited since this is my first time to cover a final here. And hello sa inyo mga kasinag. I know you guys are very much excited as much as I am on who will get the championship in 17 under here in SLA Junior. But for now, I am Kimberly Advincula, your Coach Side reporter, and I will give you story and update at the sideline. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Coach Alvin.
Thank you very much, Kim, and we will be very much interested in your stories later on today. But don't forget to like and share our Facebook and Instagram page at Sinag Liga Asia, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok at Sinag Liga TV. And now, Coach Ernest, let's go ahead and take a look at our game story for this 17 under finals. It's the final showdown.
Yeah, again, Coach Alvin, very excited. Ito yung team, itong UBL team na to na San Felipe. We've covered them yesterday. Very hardworking guys. Talagang magkaroon lang sila ng opportunity to go run, to defend well. They're taking advantage sa lahat ng mga small moments na yun. Kaya nag-work talaga lahat for them. Pero again, hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin yung dominance ng isang Pampanga team. Andyan sila Kerr Figueroa, sila Roji, ito si Chog Moral. So, I'm very excited kung paano i-handle ng UBL San Felipe to.
Yes, and this will be an interesting one as again, both undefeated. Let's now go to our game right now. Once again, it's UBL San Felipe Neri kontra Pampanga Pradera. Tungo na tayo kay Ram Valid for our scenic starters of this matchup.
Good afternoon once again, SLA fans. Mabuhay! We're coming to you live inside the amazing Renzi-Gao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, Philippines. Welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase 17 under finals. Presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Royce Hotel and Casino. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV, powered by Converge. This is the final of the SNA Junior World Showcase 17 under. The battle between UBL San Felipe Neri Catholic School and your Pampanga Pradera. And now let's meet the starting five for both teams. First, for your UBL San Felipe Neri Catholic School. Point guard number 11, Sean Zivero. Shooting guard number 9, Jose Gonzalez. Small forward number 17, Nino Ferrer. Power forward number 8, Jared Cruz. And center number 21, CJ Zatpara. UBL San Felipe Neri Catholic School is led by Coach Alan Salansang. Assistant coaches, Hiner Lahoy, Paulo Dilumed, Joshua Tan, John Rivera, Ferdinand Madrigal, and Adrian Garcia. And now, let's meet the starters for your Pampanga Pradera. At guard number 14, Raj Machas. Also at guard number 10, Kenji Mural. At center number 33, Christian Vergara. At forward number 34, Girl Figueroa. And also number 27 on forward, Max Gonzalez. Head coach for Pampanga Pradera is Alan Trinidad. Assistant coaches, George Spalding, Isel Santos, Mar Hanson, and Totoy Marquez. Team owner, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Game officials are Anthony Rocker, Jess Boros, and John Leziguez.
Taking a look at our Sinag starters for UBL San Felipe Neri, it's Severo, Gonzalez, Satparam, Ferrer, and Cruz. Para naman dito sa Pampanga Pradera, it's Moral, Matias Vergara, Gonzalez, and the high-flying Figueroa. Mali po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat na Alvin Tanyada together with Coach Ernest Alao and Kimberly Advincula working the sidelines for our 17 under matchup. And we start the tip-off here. And right now, Coach Ernest, I will put you on the spot. If you are UBL San Felipe Neri, how will you defeat such a strong team such as Pampanga Pradera.
Yeah, normal na lang maging game plan, Coach Alvin, yung defend. Itong good start for Jared. Defend itong mga shooter, itong si Chog Moral, si Roji. Pero again, ang kailangan niyang trabahuin dito, pinakakailangan is, yan, good shot, Gonzalez, is to stop itong pagiging dominant sa rebounding and sa second chance points na itong Pampanga, Coach.
Magandang shooting kagad, pares na kapunan, no? Si Cruz nakahibuslo, tapos syempre si Gonzalez nakahit din yan. And sigurado proud na proud dyan ang pamilya Gonzalez. Nandito ang nanonood ang pamilya Gonzalez supporting one of their youngest bloodline dito, no?
Yeah, and it's nice to see, Coach Alvin, na sila yung pinakauna, ito, talking about UBL, sila yung unang pinakakauna na nakashoot ng 3 points. Kasi yesterday, they were struggling, di ba?
Yes, oo.
They were 0 for 16 sa halftime.
And we covered that game.
Yes.
Kaya nga, napaka-excited tayo to do this finals game of them. But again, this is my first time to be doing a Pradera game. And you covered this, and you said earlier that you and Ryan were very much having a highlight reel in that game that you covered over at the FEU Gymnasium.
Oh, it's a win-loss situation, Coach Alvin, na sa panelist eh. Kasi unang-una, nag-e-enjoy ka dahil showtime tong sila Curl, sila Chog. Pero at the same time, grabe yung dominance, tambak na tambak.
Oo. And look at that, the big man Vergara scoring. But again, how dominating was it? You take a look at their win yesterday against Last Shot. It's 131-66. Ngayon, gagamit ako ng calculator kasi hindi natin masabi ilan ba yung lamang na yan. But again, it was a dominant win. 65-point win there. Grabe, yung ginawa doon kahapon itong Pampanga Pradera. And that is why Coach Alan Salangrak ayaw kagad hayaang makalayo itong Pampanga Pradera as they call a timeout, 9-5 our score.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Taking a look at yung dinaanan na daan nitong UBL San Felipe Neri. Again, they finished number 1 in Group B with a 4-0 record. And taking a look at how they did that, Coach Ernest.
Yeah, they won over Max Davao, 74-65. They won over Lakas California, 73-66. And talagang nag-dominate sila doon halos sa lahat ng games nila. And they won over Last Shot Dubai, 78-63. And last nila is yung Gilas Montreal. Talagang dominance, 89-56.
Gonzalez. And right now, ito ngayon, that's a foul there on Gonzalez. And talking about dito, itong the youngest Gonzalez here, itong naglalaro ngayon. Siyempre, nandito sila Congressman Dong Gonzalez, sila Boss A.G. Gonzalez, watching right now. And kumbaga, kakabahan ka ba na nandyan yung buong pamilya mo to watch you in a finals matchup, huh?
Oh, it goes both ways, Coach Alvin, no? Talking as a player. Andun talaga yung kaba and yung enjoyment din, syempre. Kasi iba pa rin pag nanonood yung parents mo, yung family mo.
And then, ikaw mismo, syempre, pag nag-coach ka, tapos player mo, si Moore, tapos nanonood si Mamiel, nanonood si Boss Ray. Kinakabahan ka ba pag ganyan?
Siguro hindi naman kinakabahan, Coach. Pero, for me, na-enjoy ko lang talaga.
Okay, G there. Pero ang tanong ko si Moore eh. Si Moore ba kinakabahan pag nandiyan?
Ay,
ba?
ewan ko dun. Sanay na yun sa 9 pa lang. Laro na ng laro yun eh.
Oo, 9 years old pa lang si Moore. Si Coach Ernest, I think 5 years old pa lang naglalaro.
Hindi
naman
yun
ba?
nga yung coolest thing about me, Coach. Nakapag-collegiate and pro pa din ako. Kahit
Yun.
17 ako nag-start.
O, kita mo?
17.
Siyempre.
Onting flex lang.
Konting
Onting flex lang.
Kenji Moral, first one is good. Second one, Kenji has been very consistent here in this tournament. 15.6 points average, 9 rebounds for a guard, ha?
Yes. And that's the best thing about this guy, Chog Moral. He's very athletic, kaya ginagamit niya yun sa laro niya. We can see him transitioning into being a point guard na dun sa palarong pambansa. And dito nadadala niya. Pero dahil nga yung galing nitong Pampanga sa pag-scouting, kinuha nila to. Yung nagpasakit sa ulo nila sa palarong pambansa, si Roji, si Curl.
Siyempre, kailangan niya lahat yan magsama-sama dahil nga this is an international competition as Ferrer scores on a fast break. And again, for a team such as Pampanga Pradera, syempre, they're playing in front of their home crowd. And a lot of fans here are watching. Syempre, importante na ma-dominate nila itong game na to as we take a look at this last fast break of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good.
Pero like what you were saying, Coach Alvin, kailangan talaga magkaroon ng opportunity itong San Felipe 2. Oh, offensive.
Yeah, pero again, you were saying
na kailangan nilang magkaroon ng opportunity na makalamang and keep the same consistency na kailangan tuloy-tuloy yun. Kasi pag hindi, nakalamang tong Pampanga with the help of the crowd, with the help of these guys, ito sila Kenji, sila Roji, si Curl, na napakagagaling. Parang showtime lagi. It's gonna be hard.
Oh, the good defense there on Mags Gonzalez. As Ferrer goes to the other side for the score.
Yeah, great job on this guys. Si Sean tsaka si Nino, no? We can see talagang nag-e-effort sila doon na ma-force yung turnover leading to easy fast break points.
13-9 now the score. Figueroa, and he is a marked man here in this matchup. Severo, the pass. Cruz no good. And look who got the ball. Ang pinakamalaki sa loob ng floor.
Wow.
Nice pass. Figueroa. High the sky.
You can see the talent of this guy. Ito si Roji, na anak ni Ronnie Matias, coach, no? Parang sobrang smooth sailing lang kahit pag nagbababa ng bola, kahit may sumasalubong, and kita mo yung connection nila. Itong NU Bullpups connection between Roji and Curl.
Oh, and Roji Matias. You can see there in the Curl Figueroa, the brother of Jake Figueroa of the NU Bulldogs, di ba? Ikita mo, si Jake Figueroa is more of a shooter from the outside.
Yes.
Pero mahaba din. Ito naman si Curl, more of that inside presence. Oh, another fast break.
Showtime.
And the Mags Gonzalez also. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. I think he's hurt. Oh, he's not. Oh, he's not okay. He is pounding the floor. And I think sa tiyan yun yung inahawakan niya Oh, no. Tuhod Ito. Boss AG and Congressman Dong right now worried. Family here. He has been playing good. Itong si Mags, to start off, he hit a 3. And the question is, how is he? Kasi kanina, hawak niya bandang abdomen niya. Let's take a look first. This one, okay pa siya dito. There you go. Oh, I think... Oh. Yung kanang balikat niya, I think, nawala Ayun, Parang, natanggal, di ba? Di ba yun yung term natin dyan, Sana makita ulit natin direct. Sorry, hopefully we get to see that one more time. Thank you very much, direct. Eto, mas kita natin dito. Ayun, no, na-hyper-extend.
Yes, and may part doon na parang binump muna ni Nino yung right shoulder niya.
Yes.
Medyo dito sa chest area. Tapos after nun, dun na niya na hyperextend.
Yung chest na yun, yung pagkabangga, extend yung kanyang right. And you can see there on the right side, Congressman Don Gonzales. Another, this is a nice and a good angle.
Yan,
once
bump.
again.
Oh,
yun. Ouch. And seriously, that will hurt. And I think, ang maganda naman kasi dyan, babalik mo lang siya eh. Diba? Kumbaga,
Yes.
they will just pop it back. And hopefully he's going to be okay. Because he has been playing well here to start the ball game. Ito, balik tayo sa action. 3-pointer, no good. And the layup there by Gonzales is good.
This guy, Gonzales, coach, no fear whatsoever. Diba, talagang tinuloy niya pa rin yung layup niyang yun.
And eto, tinitingnan natin dito, man-to-man. Pero look at Gonzales, tinataong maigi si Moral.
Wow. Nice play. We can see itong defensive scheme nila na they are using a box one.
Yes, box and one.
Naka-box one sila dito kay Chog Chog na we know na talagang sentro ng offense ng Pampanga.
Oo, kasi alam naman nila na hindi naman lalabas for open shots basta-basta ito si Figueroa. Kaya alam nila that all offense will run through dito kay
Yes.
Moral. Now here's the drive. No good. Now, Coach.
Nice!
Now, Coach Ernest, the question now is, will that injury, kasi nakita naman natin, it's an accidental contact, but will that injury be somewhat like a spark for Pampanga Pradera? I will let you answer that when we come back. Our score, 19-13.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Let's take a look at how the Pampanga Pradera got into the finals, and it is a clean sweep for them. Coach Ernest, you take a look at their numbers right now.
Yeah, they won over Phil Hoops Basketball with 65-60. They won over Passion Sports. They have 83-62. They won over Familia DC 73-61, and they won over Clifton Tigers 96-60 to end their eliminations, Coach Alvin. Dito naman sa semifinals, Last Shot Dubai, dominance talaga.
Yun, 65 points no?
Yes, 131-66.
Oo, ngayon. Balik natin yung tanong ulit sa'yo, Coach Ernest. Will that injury spark something in this Pampanga Pradera offense?
Yeah, if we are rooting for Pampanga, hopefully, kasi talagang kailangan na mag-step up ng wings dito, knowing that this guy, Max Gonzales, yung na-aksidente, he did well eh. Talagang naging maganda yung start niya for Pampanga, so kailangan nila mag-step up.
And even in the tournament itself, Max Gonzales is averaging 9.4 points, so close to 10 points a ball game. He is playing well in this tournament, as that's a good layup by Chog Moral. Alam mo, naninibago ako kasi Chog-chog siya dito. Pero sa Manila, Kenji, no? And there's a foul away from the ball. At sabi ni, sabi ni Allen Danan, wala raw siya ginagawa. But our referees saw otherwise. They go inside, no good, and Danan with the rebound. The drive there. Oh, basket was a foul.
Yeah, this guy, Chog Moral, very hard to stop every time na nasa open lane siya. That's where he lives talaga, Coach. Let's see. Yan, no fear whatsoever sa drive. Focusing dun sa shot niya, still making it galing.
And that last drive of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng City of Foods Fear Food that brings you home. Sabi nga niya, basket count. And Kenji Chog Morales. Now we'll go over to Kimberly Advincula with this report on Mags Gonzalez.
Mag Gonzalez of Pampanga Pradera got injured in his shoulder as he do his defense. And Coach Alan said, kanina pa pala ito iniinda during warm-up. Now, back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Ouch! Kanina pa pala niya iniinda, pero ika nga sa motto natin, ball is life. Yes. Tinuloy niya. And even his family is supporting here. But again, masakit yan eh. But I'm seeing him there at the bench. It's being iced, Coach Ernest. And ang maganda dito, the support of his family is still there. Nandun si Boss AG, nandun si Congressman Dong. Hindi nila iniiwan. Itong si Mags Gonzalez doon sa bench. And now inbound from the sideline. Nesba the 3. Catch and shoot kagad, no good. And rebound there. Picked up. No good still. Andun na naman. Kylian Taparan, pero kita mo yung haba.
Yes.
Dito ni Moral. And,
Yan na naman!
Fast break, pero nice find there. To Novel, and players falling down here, and one player holding on to his space there. Mukhang nabagsakan lang naman. Accidental, napagbagsak.
Yes.
Hindi, no intent to hurt, ha?
But we can see, Coach Alvin, yan.
Let's take a look at this one. That pass, too strong of a shot, and pagbagsak dito, ayun eh, that's an accidental contact. No intent talaga. Kasi yung momentum niya going down, na tumama sa mukha. So, no intent to hurt. Again, basketball play yun. Sabi nga, sabi nga ni Jaworski, di ba, kung ayaw mo masaktan, huwag kang basketball, mag-chess ka na lang.
Pero I'm just gonna say, Coach Alvin, ever since na binakswan nila tong si Chog, kinukuha niya na talaga yung bola.
Sa backcourt pa lang.
Oo. Parang, alam mo yun, nag-spark ng fire sa kanya na, ayaw niya talaga ako miscore. Sige, ayusin ko na.
And the one, yung box one niya, andito na yung depensa sa half-court, hindi sa backcourt. Kaya, nakokontrol pa ni Kenji kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin sa loob. And now, ito, Severo. Rebound, that pass rather. And that's a miss. They go down running. Matias, the pass. The shot too strong, pero Curl Figueroa no good. Jackson, nandito na rin sa loob. Matias wide open. Just like his dad being a garbage player for Pampanga Pradera. .37 seconds remaining. 10-point lead now for Pampanga Pradera. They go to Taparan at the post. Kylian, no. Second serving, wala pa rin. And that's a turnover.
Yeah, and this is where we will see, Coach Alvin, if Kylian Taparan can really, alam mo yun, step up with the bigs na mga makakasalubong niya, if ever man, na mag-elevate yung laro niya coming to the UAAP, NCAA, kasi yan yung mga standard ng bigs, yung mga nakakalaban niya ngayon eh.
Yes, oo. Ito, 8 seconds differential, shot clock, game clock. Moral to Jackson, but picked up by Taparan.
Good read.
And there's a foul. Sabi ni Kenji, wala naman daw, but the referee saw it otherwise. And ito, Vergara will check in for defensive purposes in this last 9 seconds. Ito si Vergara, again 17 under to, pero it looks like he is around, correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Ernest, 6'7", 6'8".
Yeah, seems so.
Matias, another steal.
Good read.
Oh, nice. Kita mo, ang tingin niya sa kaliwa, ay sa kanan, pero nandun pa kaliwa yung pasa eh.
Yes. Yeah, actually yun yung shinare niya, Coach Alvin, nung kami yung nag-panel sa games nila eh. Sa game nila eh, na even though Tito Ronnie Matias is a big man, 4 na talagang napakasipag sa paint, hindi daw siya na-bless ng height. So, transition siya ni Tito Ronnie sa pagiging guard. And we can see, yun talagang turo, yun talagang growth niya from being a very good point guard.
Oo, and even Matias before was a 3 in his days with the University of Manila.
Ah, talaga?
Yes, he played the 3 there and in his early days in the PBL also. The drive inside, no good. The rebound. Mamaya, pagkikwentohan pa natin, Coach Ernest, more on the players themselves and their families. And it is an 11-point lead here for the Pampanga Pradera. As it has been a run-and-gun action for their squad to start off this first quarter of play. Once again, our score after one quarter play, 26-15.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
CDO Foods Beer Food that brings you home. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And let's turn it over now to Kimberly Advincula with this report.
Do their best dahil bananang bukas. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Alan Trinidad ng Pampanga Pradera. Same game plan, tambakan ng kalaban and play with intensity as they do their strong defense, running games at naniniwala siya na kayang ipanalo ito ng kanyang mga players. Now back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much, Kimberly. Parang, alam mo, ganyan ka-confident si Coach Alan Trinidad in this ball game. Statement niya agad, tambakan ang kalaban. Coach Ernest, I have it. Parang sa akin parang hirap sabihin sa mga players yan. That will be giving them a lot of pressure.
At some point, Coach
Yes.
Alvin, no filter talaga eh. Alam mo yun, the legend himself, Coach Alan
Siyempre.
Trinidad, telling these guys na kailangan talaga tambakan.
Oh, ganyan siya katiwala dito
Yes.
no. Pero again, Coach Alan Salangsang also. Ito yung isang player before a player, now a coach. Ganyan, iba rin yung nadadala niya dito sa kanyang opponent. So, both are father figures for their respective squads.
Great find.
Nice find there to Mercado with the layup. But the question is, who will execute better on the floor? Is it these players from San Felipe Neri or will it be the Pampanga Pradera?
Yeah, and I can't see any reason para itong UBL San Felipe na alam mo yun, Coach, parang matakot ba?
Oo.
Kasi they are both undefeated teams. Deserve nilang pumasok dito sa final. So, I hope na maging ready sila and mag-step up sila lalo for this game.
Lahat naman sila dito are very much na deserving na pumasok sa finals natin. And that's a miss there.
And that will be the problem, Coach Alvin, you know. Etong si Sean, yan na talaga yung problem niya, yung height niya. And we can see yung struggle niya on how to shoot better dahil ang sumasalubong sa'yo kumu-close out sa great shot.
And Gab Mercado, not just in the inside with the drive, but also scoring from the outside. Wow, it has been a great ball game for Mercado. Severo. Sat Param, sumubok ng tres. And
Great
it's good.
shot.
And Vergara is down. And that's going to hurt dahil Mags Gonzalez already out. Now, it is itong si Vergara feeling the pain here. Christian Vergara. And for a tall guy, di ba? It's hard. Let's take a look at this. Once again, pagbagsak niya, ayun, oh, naapakan ng kanyang kaliwang paa itong si Satparam. Taking a look at the bench right now of Pampanga Pradera. Good to see that Max Gonzalez is already standing up. Even though nandun pa yung yelo sa kanyang kaliwang balikat, sinusuportahan pa rin niya yung isa niyang kakampi na right now feeling a lot of pain on his left foot as Ferrer scores. Now, Coach Ernest, if you're Coach Alan Sanansang, no Max Gonzalez, no Christian Vergara. How will you do that in favor of your squad?
Yeah, even though nandito pa rin si Curl and ito si Alan Danan, it's a big sigh of relief for Coach Alan and the rest of the UBL San Felipe kasi bawas problema, Coach, di ba? So they just need to mag-make ng effort sa pag-atake dun sa paint, hope for a contact, hope na tumawag itong mga referees like that. Tapos, ito ang targetin nila, yung mga big, sila Curl, itong sila Jackson, para at least, andun na yung ilang coach pag dumepensa.
Yes, and Curl Figueroa with 8 points here in the start of the ball game, together with Kenji Moral. Both have 8 points here. And right now, let's turn it over once again to Kimberly Advincula with this report on Jared Cruz.
Kahit na nape-pressure si Jared Cruz ng UBL San Felipe Neri Catholic School dahil home court ito ng kalaban, pero di nila ito sasayangin ang pinaghirapan dahil pumunta sila dito para manalo at maging kampiyon. Now back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much. And yun nga, gusto nilang manalo. This is their most important ball game, di ba? Yung kahapon, importante yun, pero ito yung mas importante. Dahil ito, para sa corona ng 17 under. Oh, Taparan using his body there. Nakita niya na wala sa pwesto. Ito si Kenji.
Like what you said, Coach Alvin, great use of the body to prevent itong agaw ni Chog Chog.
Oh, dahil si Kenji papunta sa kaliwa, pumunta kanan. Itong si Taparan, that's a miss here. Run and gun. Madrigal, oops, teka lang. Sabi niya, nakita niya na humahabol sa kanya. Curl Figueroa. Kenji, high the sky. Wow!
With the stare down.
Kenji says, not in our house. And he really wants to take home the title here.
Yeah, very brave, Coach Alvin. Talagang sinalubong niya itong si Satparam. Kahit big man, andun yung pagiging agile niya, yung pagiging athletic niya. Kaya mas nung pababa na si CJ siya, paangat pa lang eh.
Yes, and there's a foul here. Let's take a look at that one more time. This nakasmo of the quarter. Atin sa inyo ng Cable League, E-Holdings Corporation. Kenji Moral doing an Enzo Galarosa kind of a move.
yun yung maganda.
Yun, di ba?
Kay Enzo pa din ako. Sorry Chog pero kay Enzo pa din ako.
Siyempre, lahat tayo kay Enzo Galarosa pagka ganyang mga galawan sa loob ng court. Satparam inside to Kilian Taparan. Taparan inside for the score.
Yeah. Realizing na etong si Mercado, pino-force siya going middle eh. So, easy move. Go straight to the baseline yung ikot niya doon.
Ito, nahihirapan dito. Kenji gets the ball. Gives it up. Guevara, the side to Mercado. Mercado no good on the 3. Cruz naman with the rebound. Cruz, wide open. No good on the 3. Taparan with the rebound. They will set it up Ferrer. This is their usual 5 na talaga, you know. Talking about Coach Alan Salazar, you have Taparan, you have Satparam, Cruz, and Ferrer, and itong si Severo with Gonzalez coming off the bench. So usual 6 niya.
Oh, and you can see Coach Alvin, if you remember, nagalit talaga si Coach Alan kung ba't tira ng tira sa tres tong si Nino Ferrer.
Yes.
Yun pala, sobrang galing din sa loob.
Oo. Kasi ang gusto nga ni Coach Alan, huwag kang tira ng tira ng tres.
Oo, pasukin niya na pasukin.
I-drive mo na, i-drive. And this squad of San Felipe Neri Catholic School. For sure, after this tournament, yung mga ligang lalaroan nito, lahat aabangan na itong koponan na to as they are going to be as dominant as they are here in this tournament.
Yes. Good call. Kasi imagine, Coach Alvin, you are going up against the best of the Philippines, of Canada, LA, diba? The USA. Talagang yung pagdating mo sa mga next leagues nyo, sa mga developmental leagues, sa mga school leagues, iba talaga kumpiyansa na itong mga batang to for sure.
Yes. Yan yung maganda dito. Because this is one of their first few tournaments na national, not just national, but international league. Talking about itong UBL, dahil naglalaro nga sila sa UBL. Sa three-pointer there, no good. Rebounded by Taparan kita. Yun naman yung maganda sa big man na to, na si Kylian Taparan. When he heard the whistle, out of position na siya, hinagis na lang niya.
Very smart play. Andun na yung maturity eh.
As 2 free throws will be given to Kylian Taparan. And still the same way he shoots the free throws. Umaabante. Muna, as you see, Coach Alan Salangsang, a sharp shooter in his days before with the Iloilo Megavolts in the NBA and also with Rain or Shine. Sharp shooter yan. Lalo na sa corner ni Coach Alan. Iba-iba yung nadadala niya ni Coach Alan Salangsang pag pinapasahan na siya ng with the likes of Dale Singson. As we take a look at Apalit I Love It assistant coach and current Pampanga Giant Lantern himself, Encho Serrano, in the house right now. Aga naman mag-scout ng players para sa susunod na tournament.
For sure.
Jackson scores inside.
Kaya nga this is what is special when you're going up against Pampanga, Coach Alvin. Kasi hindi mo kilala yung mga nanonood sa iyo eh. There can be big names like that, government official, mga PBA player, 'di ba, Coach? So pag maganda ginawa mo, you are bound talaga na makuha, kilalanin, papuntahin sa mga school. So perfect opportunity to for them.
Let's take a look at this lakas block of the quarter at 0107 Management Group Incorporated. The 3 ball at the corner hits the side of the board. May tawag dyan sa larong kalye. Patayang butike.
Patayang butike.
Oo. But again, some of the players here in Pampanga Pradera, sanay yan maglaro rin
Yes.
sa mga barangay leagues. Lalo na, malapit na matapos ang bakasyon. Diba? Yung iba dyan, naglalaro pa rin sa mga summer leagues nila. Coach Alan Salangsang once again, not happy sa mga ginagawang plays ng kanyang mga boys. Matias, the pass here. Nice pick. And up and under, no good. Hindi tumama yun, and that's why the shot clock did not reset, but this time it will reset to 14 because of the foul. Substitution here. Sigua will check in for Guevara. And again, this is one of 3 Pampanga teams that will be playing here in the finals. Mamaya nga po, Apalit I Love It will be going up against Lakas, California. The representative of the Philippines going up against the representative of the United States of America. And our finals later, Pampanga Delta, the representative of the Philippines, will be going up against Familia DC, the representative from Washington, D.C., United States. As we saw earlier, Coach Alan Trinidad. Ano ito si Coach Alan Trinidad? Ang dami na rin experience nito in coaching. Nakapag-coach ka rin ito sa San Sebastian. I believe, hinawakan din niya sila Calvin Abueva, Ron Pascual, Ian Sanggalang, that Pampanga Pinatubo trio na tawag natin. And that's a Mr. Takbuhan na naman. And Cruz, that was a little bit too strong. 2 minutes and 55 remaining here in the second quarter.
Yeah, and you can blame Eman doon. Kasi sino ba naman yung tatalo? Ang lalaki, di ba, Coach? So, you're bound to put it up high talaga. And ang masama lang, Jared was not ready to catch that. Great stop.
And they go running here. The guys in white. The drive, Param, no good. Rebounded by Sigua. Forward pass, Kenji, and good defense there by Severo.
Yes, maganda yung intention nila doon sa fast break nila. Again, di lang talaga shoot for them. And to prevent itong fast break points, talagang bumaba na agad to si Sean. Kasi alam niya, pag si Kenji, talagang tatakbo agad.
Oh, and good to see that Christian Vergara is back on the floor. And he is okay after that scare doon sa kanyang left foot. Three-pointer at the corner. That's money. Para kay Lazaba.
Yeah, we can see napapailing na si Eman kasi nung nag-panel tayo ng last game niya, Coach Alvin, talagang nag-i-struggle siya. And ngayon, very, very important yung three-point shot making niya dito. So, that's a huge sigh of relief. Good pass coming from Rogi.
And you take a look at that. Welcome back to the floor, Christian Vergara. Sabi ng dito ni Christian, papagpag ko lang yung nangyari. Three-pointer again in the corner, no good. Hindi niya nagawang back-to-back yun. Rebounded by the guys in white. Ferrer.
Wow.
Nice move inside.
Good acting, being able to make this guy, Christian Vergara, feel na parang titira ka, isang step through, go for the reverse. Good shot by Nino.
Amenohar, no good. Rebound by Satparam. And now Severo bringing it down. The shot from three, no good. And look at who is dominating the rebounds here. It's Pampanga Pradera once again. Kenji. That's a travel by Sigua. And Coach Alan Salangsang will sue for time as they are down by 9 here, 39-30. 58.6 seconds remaining here in the second quarter.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Let's take a look at the tail of the tape here, Coach Ernest, taking a look at the numbers from both squads here in the tournament.
Yeah, very high scoring points itong dalawang teams na to, with Pampanga having 89, UBL 76. Pero yung rebounds talaga, doon talaga pinapakita ng Pampanga yung dominance nila with 59, habang itong UBL, they only have 44, which is very high pa din, Coach Alvin. Itong field goal, efficient talaga yung mga batang to. But having 44.5% and ito namang UBL, 42.5%.
But you take a look at the free throws numbers. Oh, 50%. Ayun, pinag-uusapan natin. Jasmine Salarda. And then you see there, itong si Daphne Lozano. And sino ba yung nakasombrero na yun? Sino yun?
Ang pinakamagaling lang naman sa UST, Enzo Galarosa.
Oo, hindi nga lang. Actually, sabi nga niya, hindi na kasi ako na gano'n ng UST. Ayoko na maglaro eh. Dito na lang daw siya pang sinagliga na lang daw si Enzo.
Sayang talaga.
Oh, it could have been the next Skyros Baguio, no?
Tsaka baka umangat na tayo sa FIBA ratings.
Oo,
Coach Alvin,
siyempre.
kung naglaro na yan si ng basketball, si Enzo.
Si Enzo, siyempre. The Enzo very much excited also to cover the next 2 games. Mamaya marinig tayo ni Enzo yan. Mamaya puntahan tayo yan dito. But he's very much excited to do the games. And I'm going to take this time, this opportunity, Coach Ernest, siyempre, to thank all our talents who did a wonderful job in all of our 5 days. Nico Arsiaga, Martin Daez, CJ Ang, Coach Don Bautista, Ryan Pajaro, Penelope Wilhelmina, and our court sides. Later on, pag-uusapan natin yan. as we will have a timeout on the floor right now. It's 41-31, our score.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
And right behind that is, you see there, Mags Gonzalez. And yun, nakakatuwa naman tingnan. Wala na yung yellow dun sa kanyang balikat. Mags Gonzalez looking good here as we take a look at the family of Mags Gonzalez. You see there, Congressman Dong Gonzalez. Andyan din si A-Boss AG Gonzalez. Andyan po, yung naka, I think yellow is a board member, Micah Gonzalez. So the Gonzalez are out to support Mags Gonzalez, and not just Mags, but the entire Pampanga Pradera. As Kenji Moral scores there. And the turnover, so kita mo coming off the timeout, good execution by Pampanga Pradera, and good defense on the other side.
Yes, napakagandang start nito, or we can say na end para tapusin tong first half, Coach Alvin.
And right now, let's see how things will go here.
Better.
3-point volley! Three for Gab Mercado. And what a way to close out the second quarter of basketball here as the Pampanga Pradera hitting that three-pointer. Gab Mercado, ilista mo na yan for him as he has scored 9 points here for the Pampanga Pradera as they take a 15-point lead at the half. We will be right back.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Walang magpapasira ng laro. Tayo magsisira ng laro dyan. Panalunin natin to. Go, go, go. Para sa atin yung game na to. Binibigyan na tayo ng chance ni Lord na para manalo dito. Panalunin na natin. Para sa atin, para sa parents, para kay Lord. Goal, goal, goal. Defensively, everybody got your back. I really want you guys to talk here. Understood? We talk our defense, we keep it loud. We know each other have our back. On the rebound, everybody on the board. All right, everybody on the board. Amen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
What is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa Subic to meet and get a chance to talk to some very, very important people para sa future ng Sinag Liga Asia and also to get to witness the graduation ng senior high school department ng Lyceum Subic Port. As we all know, ang Lyceum Subic Port po ay parte ng Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase and also they're a big part sa ating future. Kaya tara na po and let's see what's in store for Sinag Liga Asia.
We're excited, and I would like to invite all, especially the towns. We have 12 towns in Zambales, and there's a lot more. And we are very, very proud to tell you that we are joining a very good league, and we have a very, very good platform. So, antayin nyo kami, and we will join.
Yan na po mga kasinag. You heard it first from Attorney Alfonso Burda ng Lyceum Subic Port na ang Lyceum Sharks Subic Port ay handang-handa na po para sa SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga. Pero hindi lang po yun ang kanya sinabi kanina. Meron nga po silang nilulutong something special for all the colleges, universities, and high schools para dito sa Norte. And syempre, very, very soon po mga kasinag, meron din po tayong diyang niluluto sa South Region naman po ng Luzon. Kaya po mga kasinag, tutok lang po. Especially napakalapit na po ng ating SLA Junior World Showcase happening on July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga po yan. Once again, ako po, si Enzo Galarosa ng Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
You're still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. Now, before we move on to our second half, I am beside Sir Ken Ferry of Sports Coordinator of UBL San Felipe Neri Catholic School. Now, first of all po, sir, thank you sa pagsama sa akin sa interview. Now, my question is, undefeated po kayo throughout this league and naipakita nyo naman po na malakas yung team nyo po. Now, ano po yung naging sistema nyo or paano nyo po pinractice yung mga players nyo para makapunta here sa finals?
Ayan, so katulad ng sinabi mo, wala kaming talo, undefeated kami. Talagang nag-practice sila ng todo before kami pumunta dito. Alam namin malalakas yung kalaban, lalong-lalo na tong championship. So, mindset lang din ng bata na kailangan nating manalo. So, then salamat din kay Coach Alan na constant reminder na and also yung palaging pagpapractice namin before kami pumunta talaga sa tournament na to.
Wow. Now, may gusto po ba kayong batiin or pasalamatan po?
Ayan. Thank you so much, UBL, sa mga coaches. Coach Alan, Coach Paulo, Coach Stan, Coach Garcia, Coach Iner at sa San Felipe Neri Catholic School, kay Father Mark, kay Father Paul, kay Dr. Dabalos, kay Miss Maricel, Miss Sally, Miss Rica, Sir Arvin, Sir Perolino at sa mga coordinators. And also sa Cardinal at Sacred Admin at sa mga taga Mindoro, sa tatay ko, shoutout tay. And also sa ka-department ko, sa TLA department, shoutout sa inyo. And also maraming salamat sa Graphic Sportswear, Street Sportswear, and doon sa anak ko kay Cassandra at sa asawa ko. And also shoutout daw sa Triple Tire Supply, kay Sir Allen Alvaro, Meralco Village Chapter, University of Rizal, Angono, Bagong Pag-asa, Triskelion Community Chapter,
ang tao, TTAC, TTMC, RPC, The Lumen family, Reyes family from the province of Rizal. Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Now, that's it for our halftime interview. Now, back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much, Kimberly. And once again, our score at the half, 46-31. Pampanga Pradera on top by 15 here. Alvin Tañada together with Coach Ernest Alo. Coach Ernest, right now, it is a dominant performance once again for the Pampanga Pradera. But again, itong kupunan ng UBL San Felipe Neri, kailangan pa rin nila makuha yung rhythm nila. Especially that nagsisimula ng gumana ang laro ng Pampanga.
Oh, we can see them really fighting for this championship, Coach Alvin. No? Nagiging problema lang talaga yung dominance. Overpowered talaga itong Pampanga Pradera with their height, their size, and their ability to finish yung second chance points nila and get those rebounds. Kaya sila nahihirapan ngayon.
Let's now take a look at our highlights here. And ito nga sila Curl Figueroa and the rest of the green shirts of the Pampanga Pradera doing well here. Kenji Moral, who likes to be called as Chog Chog Moral, and Satparam. And ito nga si Ferrer also scoring there. But again, the fast break attack here by the Pampanga Pradera doing wonders here. But yung outside shooting nga nitong UBL San Felipe Neri connecting in there. But again, to close out the quarter, a big three-pointer by Gab Mercado. As we take a look at the numbers here at the half.
Yeah, so we can see again 32 ang points in the paint na itong Pampanga while the UBL only have 20. Yung assist medyo close din naman. Medyo nagiging hero ball kasi yung story natin for today. Pero 14 assists for Pampanga and 10 sa UBL. Sa rebounds, close lang din. They have 27 habang itong UBL, they have 21. Sa field goals, we can see na really struggling itong UBL, Coach Arvin. They only have 29% habang itong Pampanga, they have 55. And sorry, Coach Alvin, I would like to share lang na sa 3 points percentage nitong UBL, they only have 13%. They have 3 maids over 23 attempts.
Yun yan.
Ang baba.
Napakababa niyan. But kahapon pa nila ginagawa rin yan, no? Diba? They started off 0 of 16 from 3 points kahapon. And they live and die with the 3 as Gonzalez. That's a turnover there.
Yeah, not a great start to start this third quarter.
And Figueroa, nice shot there. And the pass mula dito kay Matias.
Yeah, I love that kain emote coming from this guy, Curl. Kasi talagang, pinahirapan niya eh.
Alam mo sinong proud na proud dyan? Sabi ko nga, si Jake Figueroa,
Yes.
ganyan yan eh. And slasher, again, for the NU Bulldogs. Unfortunately nga lang, may injury ngayon si Jake Figueroa. But again, very proud kuya si Jake dito sa ginagawa ng kanyang nakababatang kapatid. Moral to Gab Mercado, who scored 3 3-pointers there. Oh, nice passing there. As Curl Figueroa to Kenji Moral. And the lead has ballooned now to 19. Ferrer, they want to go back inside pero nandun yung depensa ni Vergara. Ferrer inside and foul here. Christian Vergara called for that. That will mean 2 free throws here para dito kay Ferrer. And kanina, during our halftime break, napalapit na dito si Mags Gonzalez. And at least good to see na wala na yung yellow sa kanyang shoulder. Pero bad news for Pampanga Pradera fans, he will not be returning in the ballgame.
Oo, and that's okay kasi kailangan ma-prioritize yung safety nila, Coach Alvin eh. So that's okay.
Yes, sa dami pa rin naman ng players dyan ni Coach
Yes,
Alan Trinidad sa bench nila. Why not rest itong si Mags Gonzalez?
Right.
And the future nga naman of Mags Gonzalez is much better. Dahil lamang naman sila dito. As Gab Mercado, no good. And Gab Mercado is stepping up in that absence of Mags Gonzalez. As Gonzalez naman sa kabila. Dalawang Gonzalez, pinag-uusapan natin bigla. And that will go out.
From what we can see, Coach Alvin, it's pretty much the game of speed this quarter, no? Talagang they're taking advantage dun sa mga pagtulog sa depensa ng both teams. Like that.
And the layup there by Kenji Moral. And Coach Alan Salangsang is not a happy camper now here. Taking a look at this lakas drive of the quarter at sa inyo na CDO Food Sphere. Food that brings you home. We have a timeout.
Simmer Prisalo, 20 years old, Palit, I love it. Tutukan nyo kami sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Taking a look at Kenji Moral. Chog Moral. Kaya na gusto tawag dito. Look at the averages right now. 15.6 points, 9 rebounds, 6.4 assists, 2.8 steals. And now, let's turn it over. We turn it over? Tingnan muna natin. Wala pa. Antayin natin ang ating Let's turn it over now to Kimberly Advicula with this report on Kenji Moral.
Stay focused at huwag magpapa-apekto sa sinasabi nila as said by Kenji Moral ng Pampanga Pradera. Alam niya na magaling ang kalaban at maayos ang sistema nila. Pero di ito ang dahilan para magpatalo sila. Magiging masipag at double work as a team sila ngayon para makuha ang kampyonado. Now back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Ernest.
Thank you very much. And yes, yun nga sabi ni Chog. Pero again, Kenji Moral. Coach, nakita mo kanina average niya. Look at these numbers right now. Coach Ernest, 16 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals here. At idagdag mo pa dyan, Coach Ernest, 7 of 8 shooting from the field, 7 of 7 from 2 points. Yeah. So, very efficient. Idagdag mo pa ngayon yan.
Dagdagan mo pa, Coach Al.
Wow, a very efficient game from Chog Moral.
Yeah, this kid's impressive. Talagang may button siya na pag kailangan niya na mag-step up, talagang mag-control ng game. To-turn on niya lang yun, pretty much sa kanya na yan.
Ito na naman.
Tumingin pa.
Oo, tumingin pa. Tinignan niya kung may habol pa yung depensa at lumobo na sa 21 ang kalamangan dito. Lisaba. And Gonzalez, nice spin there, pero
wow, sayang.
Testing the defense there of Christian Vergara. And even Christian Vergara natatawa na lang doon.
Yes.
Let's take a look at that. Lakas fast break of the quarter. At sa inyo ng Hotel Sogo. So clean, so good. As Gonzalez will shoot the bonus free throw kasi goaltending na basket interference yan. JC Gonzalez there. 5 points now from JC Gonzalez. At ito si Severo. We talked about him to start the ball game. He finished 9 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists in their semifinal win yesterday. Now, Sean Severo, 0 in the ball game. 1 rebound only for the pint-sized rebounding demons of nitong koponan ng UBL San Felipe. And he needs to step up more as Gonzalez. Uy, dumukot sa kanan pero wala. The rebound scramble here. Gab Mercado, the pass to Kenji. Kenji, high the sky play. Making it very simple, that pass Moral to Figueroa. Ilang beses na ba natin yan nakita buong torneo?
Oo, actually, ganyan talaga yung laro nila eh. Once na talagang magkaroon sila ng opportunity to go run, tapos lamang sila sa tao, ganyan talaga gagawin nila. There will be showtime.
And a three-pointer there para kay Saigo. 10 points for Renzo Saigo. Quiet but efficient basketball for Renzo Saigo. Tumutulong nga dito kay Ferrer for dito sa UBL. Ito ngayon, Kenji one more time. Ooh, bitin yung layup. First 2-point miss for Kenji Moral, pero Christian Vergara there for the basket. Gab Mercado, and this open court basketball kabaka mo, Kenji Moral score. Alam mo yung mga ganyang basket, ganyang leak out nito ni Kenji Moral. No, minsan, sinabi lista mo na eh.
And it's fun to watch. Bakit? Kasi nagagawa niya yung ganyang laro niya eh. Yung pagiging magaling niya sa transition. Kasi yung defense ng apat niyang kasama, very good. Like that.
Dinipensa na si Saigo dun.
Yeah, tapos takbuhan, automatic, dahil kilala nila si Chog na being very efficient dun sa transition. Hinaya nilang mauna.
Let's take a look at this. Lakas grab of the quarter. This is yun ang fully tech, innovative advertising.
Pero like what you were saying a while ago, Coach Alvin, balikan ko lang. Itong pagiging inefficient dito ni Sean Severo. Siguro, isa lang yung sabi natin dyan. He's playing with the big boys now.
Yes, big boys na nga.
Literal talaga.
And yesterday, nahirapan niya. Hindi siya gaano nahirapan in yesterday's game. Dito, talking about itong si Severo because they went up against Phil Hoops basketball. So, medyo kaya niya yun. But again, it's hard that you have to go up against the likes of Vergara and Figueroa inside.
Yeah, and I didn't mean to be too, alam mo yun, cocky, Coach Alvin. Kasi factual eh, nakikita natin eh. No offense to this guy, he got a big heart, napakagaling na player. Pero kita natin yung struggle talaga ng bata.
And now, ito, Guevara, the shot there of that steal by Matias. At nakita mo, hinaghanap pa ng kakampi muna itong si Matias. 12 assists for Matias here in this ball game.
Yes, very efficient playmaker itong bata.
Ooh! Access denied. And Matias to Guevara, assist number 13.
Yeah, we can see Curl talagang he's always signaling na iangat kasi gusto niya ng alley-oop. Hindi mabigay eh. I'm really waiting for this guy to get some dunks here.
Shot from 3, no good.
Taas.
Too high. And ito, tingnan natin ngayon yung rebound and that takas block of the quarter. It's in 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Assists now for Matias, and he gets a board. That's rebound number 6. The assist, the leak out. Guevara once again. 15 assists now for Matias.
Yes, we can pretty much say that the transition, the great defensive mindset of these guys in green, Pampanga Pradera, ito na talaga yung nag-work for them. Tinutuloy-tuloy lang nila. Kahit sino ipasok, ready to step up, ready to do kung ano yung pinalitan nila.
Almost a steal there by Matias once again.
Wow, yan na naman.
Assist, nagtingin siya sa kanan. Gab Mercado, the attack, no good. Rebound by Mercado, no good. Sayang na oportunidad for Pampanga Pradera. Saigo. The pass to Madrigal. Balik dito kay Saigo. There is a foul. At mukhang si Curl Figueroa matatawagan ng foul doon. And Matias will now step out first here. Madrigal gets it. Binigay dito. Kay Loreto. They have to find a shooter here. And this guy is a shooter. But that is short. And ito si Madrigal. One of the games here. Nakascore ito ng 21 points on 6 of 11 3-point shooting. Those are like Ernest Alaw numbers from 3-point distance.
Oo naman. Pero again, yun talaga yung struggle, Coach Alvin. I hate to say it. It's really hard not to notice. Every time na a-attempt sila, kahit sa ang floor, kahit sa ang side, kahit sa ang spot ng offensive side nila, yung close out talaga nahihirapan sila Kasi ang lalaki, ang haba.
Reyes, that's a steal there. As Kenji Moral goes all the way for the score. Chog, Moral, chugging up the points.
Yes, you can see them enjoying here. Nakakastil niya lang, talagang dinidilaan niya pa
Gonzalez with a nice side step there.
Yeah, good move there. Perfect opportunity para patayin yung apoy netong Pampanga.
Moral. And that's a foul there on Loreto. First personal foul there on Loreto. Si Coach Alan Salangsang humuhugot na sa ilalim ng kanyang bench. Sino pa ba yung pwedeng magpaangat na itong laro ng kanilang kupunan heading into the fourth quarter? Pass here, the right side. As our fans slowly filling up our Brenzy Giel Convention Center mula dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Good stop.
Good stop here. Babad. Oh, that's a foul there.
Tanggal yung sapatos.
That's a nice shoe there. Danan will check in. Carl Figueroa. Babad will shoot too. Now in this kinds of scenarios, Coach Ernest, syempre, malaking lamang, you are here in the court of your, kumbaga yung kalaban, di ba? And these players now being fielded in by Coach Alan Salangsang, hindi mo masyado nakikita usually in the games.
Yes.
What will you be telling the boys right now on the floor as your opponent is on top here by 25?
Yeah, just let them and help them understand, Coach Alvin, na hindi pa tapos. Tapos perfect opportunity to. Tulad ng ginagawa ni Coach Alan ngayon na humuhugot ng third stringers para makuha yung kumpiyansa. Baka this time, pag nakita ng first and second stringers ng mga main guys na, itong mga to, onti yung playing time, pero ginagawa ng maayos yung trabaho nila. You should step up din. So, yun yung hinahanap ni Coach Alan.
Yes, and especially sa mga susunod nilang liga, di ba? Makikita mo na these guys could be part of that rotation.
Yes.
At least lalalim yung rotation mo, di ba? Kasi in this tournament, mas nakikita natin, 6 naman lalaro lang halos yung madalas na binibigyan ng mas mataas na minuto. Ito ni Coach Alan. Kenji moves in. Kenji, the drive, smothered there. But look who got the rebound from the weak side. The big man, Christian Vergara.
Wow. This guy, Chog Moral, laughing at his defender. The disrespect.
Alam mo si Chog Moral, parang sabi niya, not in our house. He cannot take away the title dito sa amin.
Yes.
Yun ang gusto mong patunayan ito ni Chog Moral. Huwag na nating ibiyahe. Yung trophy na yan, dito na lang yan sa Pampanga.
Oo. And perfect for them, itong team ng Pampanga Pradera. Kasi if we remember, Coach Alvin, kakagaling lang nila sa talo sa palarong pambansa. So, perfect opportunity to for them to get their groove again para sa mga next na liga nila as the Pampanga squad. Andun yung yabang and yung comfortability na ulit.
That's another bad play.
Yeah.
And look at Coach Alan Salazar, naka-ready na siya na umupo sa bench dahil 5.9 seconds. Parang handa na siya para ilabas yung kanyang words of encouragement. Ika nga, di ba? That will end our third quarter of play. And Coach Alan Salazar says, parang, can you read this map? Mamaya. But this is all a Pampanga Pradera highlight show. You see their passes to Figueroa, Moral, a lot of opportunities, and Christian Vergara, those three players really doing wonders here para sa kanilang koponan as the final play of Pampanga Pradera are just 10 minutes away from taking home the 17 under title here in your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Our score, 76-50.
My name is Sean Andrews. I play for Washington, D.C. Watch us on the SLA Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Kenji Moral in your screens right now. 26 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals. What else can you say about Chog Moral, Coach Ernest?
Exceptional. Yan lang talaga masasabi ko, Coach. Napaka-talented na bata. Very, very bright future ahead of him.
Oo. At hindi kailangan masyado gumawa nito ni Curl Figueroa here in this matchup. Teka lang daw. Hindi gumana yung oras sa ating floor. So, officials timeout here.
And ito rin masasabi ko sa lineup na itong Pampanga Delta, Coach Alvin. Yan yung maganda eh. You will have no fear. You will be fearless dun sa pag-drive nyo. Kasi bakit? Sino ba naman sasalo? If ever man na mablock ka, mag-miss, na malapit lang sa ring. Christian Vergara, Kurt Figueroa. Diba?
Yes. At teka lang daw, sabi nila, double check lang yung clock dito. Yes, the fans are now starting to pile up dito. The last time I've seen this being filled up na ganito karami was during the Pampanga Delta Cup.
Yes.
Dito, ayan, you can see the fans here inside the Brenzigiao Convention Center. And again, we would like to thank all the people that helped out in this cause. Grabe, yung help nito, the municipality of Bacolor, Pampanga, maraming salamat sa pagpapagamit sa atin dyan sa Bacolor Mini Convention Center. Day number 2.
Sa FEU Gym.
Sa FEU Gym dyan dito sa San Fernando. Dyan sa Don Honorio University. And syempre, hindi namin makakalimutan ni Coach Ernest yung second day namin dyan sa Bacolor Mini Convention Center. That,
grabe sipag natin.
Yun, grabe naman talaga. Yun, that day was very memorable sa atin because who would have thought that we will be going to that scenario? But wait a minute now. I think they will be trying to check on it right now as a... I think they're just trying to check on something here. O ito, mga pabati na natin dito. Dagdagan pa natin yung mga pasasalamat natin. We would like to thank for their unwavering support, Mr. Manuel Marcelo of the Bake Club and Restaurant, syempre. And then, Boss Jess Hehe. Okay, and syempre maraming salamat to Mr. Oliver Duya, ABC Captain dito sa Pampanga. And Mr. Glenn Abad and Mr. Jean Leaño. At syempre, maraming salamat din. Boss Eric Damian. Yan, maraming salamat din. Alam mo, ang daming sumusuporta sa atin. Pero the overall person that we will really want to thank is Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Yes.
Maraming salamat, Gob, sa iyong walang asawang suporta. Again, kinikwento nga nila Chairman Rocky Chan, President CEO Boss Ray Alaw, COO Boss Leo Isaac, and Commissioner Rodney Santos. Iisa sila, sabi nila, isang lapit lang nila kay Gob. Yes agad for this kind of a showcase, the SLA Junior World Showcase. Delta Cup and Coach Ernest, this will definitely not be the last of this World Showcase.
Yes, and actually, Coach Alvin, ang dami kong nakakausap na parents, lalo-lalo na sa part, great pass by Rogie, lalo na sa part ng Last Shot Dubai na 7 Emirates pala ang meron doon. And lahat ng teams coming from those 7 Emirates, Coach Alvin, lahat daw pupunta next year. Babawi daw talaga sila.
And right now, at least everything seems to be okay now once again as Matias Tumoral.
Yan na!
Whoa! And welcome to the Curl Figueroa highlight reel.
Sabi sa'yo, Coach Alvin he was just really waiting for that moment na siya naman yung bigyan ng pasa dun sa fast break.
Oh, sigurado to si Curl Figueroa after this tournament. Ang dami niyang i-grab ng mga highlight reels dito sa atin. Ang dami niyang slam dunk action dito sa ating tournament. As we will have this opportunity, sigurado, to see that once again on replay. Thank you very much, Direk Nomar. Ang gandang pasa. That lakas moment of the quarter natin sa inyo na Converge. Dahil sa Converge, doble na, dinoble pa, at doble replay tayo on that Curl Figueroa slam. Raise the roof, ika nga, sabi niya.
Oo, napakaganda yung 3-man game na yun. Ito si Chog Chog realizing na humahabol to. Trailing itong si Curl.
What a big man, Curl Figueroa. Sigurado. Si Kuya Jake, happy mula
For
dyan
sure.
sa Hoxton, sa NU. Substitution na Gab. Si Gab magpapasok dito, Gab Mercado. And wala pa rin turnover, fast break here. Matias, the pass na naman to Mercado. And that is assist number 16. And I think this will be somewhat like a record already. 16 assists. We would like to double check, pero I think 16 assists is our highest right now in the assist numbers. No good for Babad. Lukban. Ooh! And that's a basket for Gab Mercado. Oh, this has been... Who needs Max Gonzalez if you have Gab Mercado playing well? Let's take a look at this fast break once again. This nakas move of the quarter natin sa inyo ng Cabling E-Holdings Corporation. And good player to step up ito si Gab Mercado with that injury in that first quarter to Max Gonzalez.
Yes, ganyan ka-deep itong lineup na itong Pampanga na when someone's not stepping up or na-aksidente, like this guy, itong si Mags, andyan si Mercado.
Yes, mapa-struggling man siya or may inindaman, di ba? Handa silang lahat. And right now, 84-52, a 32-point lead with 8 minutes and 5 remaining. And Coach Ernest, 15 under, won by UBL Red Cubs. Now the 17 under, it looks like with the way things are running, Pampanga Pradera will smoothly win the title of the 17 under. Coach Ernest, what can you say about these two divisions already that have been very superbly done dito sa ating SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup?
Yes, sinabi mo na, Coach Alvin. Very well done talaga itong 15 under. We've experienced it, diba? Andun yung team namin. We were able to bag the 3rd place. Very happy. Napakaganda ng liga. Napakaganda ng accommodation. Sa 17 under naman, for sure, lahat ng kasali dito, from 17 under A to 17 under B, lahat, for sure, happy ang mga yan.
Yes, and syempre, pasalamatan natin muli mga nakasama natin dito. Again, the people that helped us all throughout the tournament, from the referees, from the regional area, na ang laki tinulong sa ating mga referees kasi yung mga referees natin from the Manila area, hindi naman nila magagawa ito lahat. So, thank you very much to our referees, to our table officials, to our production team na meron tayong hinati-hati ng mga production team, our floor directors, our talents here. So again, Martin Daes, Nico Arsiaga, Coach Don Bautista, CJ Ang, our courtsides, and then Ryan Pajaro. Siyempre, maraming salamat. Penelope Wilhelmina, also doing her job well here in the tournament. Our courtside reporters, Jasmine Solarda, and then, siyempre, sila MJ Raimundo, the usual suspects dito sa atin, MJ Raimundo, Francine Capili, Daphne Lozano, and siyempre si Kimberly Advincula doing well. Siyempre, our directors also, thank you very much yung mga hardworking directors natin. Derek Billy De Leon, Derek Boyet, Derek Mike Nanad, siyempre, and siyempre, ang pinaka magandang lalaki sa kanila lahat, Derek Nomar Santiago.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre, alam mo yan si Derek Nomar, napakasipag talaga niyan. Wala kami masabi dyan. Hats off. Walang reklamo. All out. Diba? Kahit nga hindi na matulog si Derek Nomar, basta magawa lang na maayos ang ating production in this 5-day event. Congratulations kagad para sa ating production team as that's a 3-pointer there. Siyempre, mamaya makakasama naman ninyo in our third game, the one and only wise man, the youngest wise man in Philippine basketball, Coach Pancho Alfonso, and the singing chief. Mamaya makikita niyo siya. Ano kayang outfit niya ni Enzo?
Excited na nga ako
Abangan natin yan. And then working that game also, two courtside reporters, Francine Capili and MJ Raimundo, working that third game between Apalit, I Love It, and etong koponan ng Lakas, California. That will be a dogfight, sure. And Loreto now. And syempre, i-congratulate na rin natin again, Chairman Rocky Chan, Boss Ray Alaw, President CEO, COO, Coach Leo Isaac, and syempre, Rodney Santos, and our international delegates. It's led by our Vice President for International Affairs, Boss Eric Quintana. Hats off to all of them. Congratulations. Kagad hindi pa tayo tapos dito dahil may dalawa na congratulate na natin silang lahat. And syempre, lahat ng koponan na naglaro sa atin dito sa ating torneo. Congratulations for a job well done. Second free throw, no good. And syempre, congratulations na rin Coach Ernest Alaw for a terrific job in the panel as an analyst and also for your team. Medyo nabitin lang ng konti-konti.
Konti na talaga, Coach Alvin. Feeling ko, this year, if ever man na may season pa tayo, konti na lang.
You are, seriously speaking, you are a big man away from getting that title. Or at least getting into the finals. But I know you will be getting ready for that. But right now, a few more substitutions here. Checking in, Matias will have to step out now. He has done a job well done. Look at these numbers. 6 points, 6 rebounds, 16 assists. Huwag na natin isama to. Huwag na natin isama yan.
Papangit pa eh.
Pero all 6 on the board there.
Yeah, actually kung tatapusin mo, Coach Alvin, complete eh. 3 steals and 1 block.
May depensa, may offensa, playmaking. What a good job for Matias. For sure, proud na proud. Si Papa, batas ni Matias, Ronnie Matias dyan. Jumper from the baseline, that's good.
Yeah, and even though the game is pretty much over, this is very important for these guys. Itong third group ng UBL San Felipe. Dahil after this, kailangan heads high pa din sila kasi napakaganda ng ginawa na performance nila dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase. So, props to this guy. May tito, Coach Alan Salangsang. Sobrang ganda ng ginawa ng San Felipe.
May tanong ako kung hindi Pampanga Pradera na kalaban nila sa finals, would it be a different result here?
Very confident ako doon, Coach Alvin. Kung hindi itong powerhouse Pampanga Pradera kalaban, let's say international team, no offense, kaya
that's going to be a that's how confident you are in saying that. Pero again, it's a very tough opponent that they went up here in the finals in a hometown squad in the Pampanga Pradera squad. (86-64), 22-point lead, and that is a foul there called on Charles David there. Take note, 22-point lead, 4 minutes and 4. Hindi mo pa nilalabas si Kenji Moral, no?
Oo nga eh.
And they really want to make a statement here that the 17 under is theirs for the picking.
Yes, he has 26 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals.
Wag na isa.
Oh, wag na yung turnover.
Wag na natin bagitin yan. Pero again, it's not just this game, but the entirety of the game. Another rebound for Kenji Moral. That's rebound number 10, a double-double for him. Tingnan natin, triple-double watch natin. Tingnan natin kung habulin niya yung assist na yan. And I think Kenji Moral will sit down now. And what a game for Kenji Chog Moral. 26 points, 10 rebounds, 7 assists. Great day in the office for Kenji Moral. Second free throw here para kay Danan. No good. And Abenohar, foul there. And next game nga natin, the Apalit I Love It. You taking a look there at, oh ayan oh, kita mo, Pampanga legends yung mga nandyan. Encho Serrano, Justin Baltazar, and Den Pineda. Ayan, ng Pampanga legends yung mga nandyan sa stage natin. Siyempre, hindi natin nakita doon. Coach Jay Shera, also there, sa tabi nila. Pero, may update ka ata para dyan sa Apalit I Love It. Mamaya, banggitin mo nga yung update na yan. Right now, there is a timeout on the floor. 3 minutes and 28 remaining before we crown the Pampanga Pradera as champions of your 17 under.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
As the Pampanga Pradera step onto the court for the final 3 minutes and 28 remaining here. Alvin Tañada together with Coach Ernest Alao for our final game of the 17 under division. It has been a successful one indeed. Not just for the 17 under, Coach Ernest, but the entirety of that. Pero pag-usapan natin yung next game, Coach Ernest. Bigyan na natin ng konting maliit na scoop. Itong next game natin, Lakas, California, which we had the chance to see before this SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup over in the tournament Asia Basket. We've seen this team. How can that squad, Coach, try to get a win against a squad such as Apalit I Love It that they met in their opening day here in the tournament?
Yeah, they already went up against these guys. So, for sure, etong si Coach Atoy and the rest of the coaches, pinaghandaan na talaga nila yan. Pero again, yung yung inevitability na andyan sila George Diamante, diba? Sila Ashton Novillo. Ngayon, Coach, I'm not sure about dito kay Moore kasi from what I know, si Moore, mataas yung lagnat.
Yun.
Yeah, kaya di siya makakalaro. Kaya medyo sad sa part niya kasi kung kailan finals, kung kailan dagsaan yung fans ng Apalit, tsaka pa siya wala.
Yun yung gustong-gusto niya. As we take a look once again, on the right, Justin Baltazar. You can see there, the legends of Pampanga yan, ha? Enzo Serrano, and doon sa left side there, another legend here in Pampanga, in Coach Jay Sierra. Grabe ang opensa pag yan ang dinadala. And again, Apalit, I love it. We'll try to win the title here. But again, Lakas California, that squad has been terrific. Peaking at the right time, di ba, Coach Ernest?
Yes.
Ito nga Lakas California against Apalit, I love it. That will be our game number 3 here on this 4 days game slate of the finals of your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Later on that, hayatin niya yan nila Enzo Galarosa, Coach Pancho Alfonso, and our courtside reporters later on, MJ Raimundo and Francine Capili. And syempre, for Apalit, I love it. Again, no more Prince Alaw. Sabi mo nga, no VJ Prey, no Tebol Garcia, unfortunately. And those are 3 UAAP stars.
Yes, and it's gonna hurt them for sure. Pero, andyan pa rin yung kumpiyansa nila eh. Andyan pa rin si George, si Ashton Novillo, andyan pa rin si Eligano, di ba, Coach?
Eligado will be
Eligado, sorry.
And Eligado, the current Mapua Cardinal.
Okay. Mapua pala yun, Coach.
Yeah, oo. He was part of that Asia Basket squad.
Talaga.
Naglaro din siya dyan. And then, there you see Coach Alan Trinidad still very much relaxed at the bench, even though, yes, they will take home this title. Safe to say na ito, Coach Ernest, that they will be taking home the title at home. At home.
Yes.
Guevara now.
And yan yung funny dito sa mga coaching staff nila Gov Delta na alam mo yun, hindi na sila eccentric pag nag-champion. Sanay na lang sila.
Sanay na yan. Jumper there, no good. Rebounded by Sigua. Nice pass inside and the basket there. As that basket breaks it up once again to 20 points. 1 minute and 16 remaining here. As we will head into a gap right now when we return the final minute and 16 of this 17 under finals. $90-70 our score, 1 minute and 15 remaining here. And Coach Alan mukhang nag-drop lang na isang play doon. Pero isipin mo yun, Coach Alan drew up a play and it did not materialize into anything there.
Yeah, and that's gotta hurt if you're Coach Alan and the rest of the coaching staff here ng San Felipe. Alam mo yun, binibigyan mo ng kumpiyansa itong mga batang to, itong mga third stringer, and you are not giving the satisfaction that this coach has won. Para, alam mo yun, Coach, umakyat ka, let's say, sa second stringers.
And that is too much passing. Overpassing na talaga yung ginawa na yun ng Pampanga Pradera. One of the few turnovers. Now, ito, Coach Ernest, numbers on the screen, on our records here. 26 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals for Kenji Moral. 14 points for Curl Figueroa. 15 points for Gab Mercado. Then you have 6 points for Matias together with 6 rebounds and 16 assists, a record. Ito, unofficial, but I believe that's a record already for Sinag, Liga, Asha. And it has been a terrific season for them here. Talking about the Pampanga Pradera, but again for UBL, with San Felipe Neri. Back to the drawing board for the next tournament as there's basket there. Para dito, kay Charles David.
Yeah, but again, still, congratulations to these guys. Ito sila Coach Alan and UBL San Felipe. Very phenomenal job on reaching the finals. Diba? Kaya congratulations pa din sa kanila.
And it is now official as the Pampanga Pradera takes home the win and the champions, being named as the champions of your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup 17 under. Again, hats off to the squad of Coach Alan Trinidad.
Yeah, congratulations. Again, isang word lang talaga, Coach eh. Dominant talaga itong mga batang to. The way they are playing, yung connection nila, playing together for how many months, years now. With the addition itong mga NU Bullpups, it all worked out for them. Congratulations to them and to Coach Alan.
Once again, our final score, 90-72, an 18-point victory and the championship for the Pampanga Pradera. And right now, we are just awaiting our best player of the game, our scenic player of the game, Coach Ernest. But Coach Ernest, it was a hard-fought season para dito sa Pampanga Pradera. Nothing easy for them. Even though, yes, may time na lumalamang sila na malaki, but it was a terrific season for them.
Yes, very terrific. Very phenomenal job for these guys. Nag-workout talaga lahat for them. So, doon sinasabi ko kanina, Coach Alvin, yung talagang comfortability nila sa isa't isa nag-workout.
And right now, kasama ni Kimberly Advincula, our Sinag player of the game, Kenji Moral, and our champion coach, Coach Alan Trinidad.
I am now with the SLA Junior World Showcase Best Player of the Game and Champion Coach of Pampanga Pradera, Coach Alan Trinidad. Now, first of all po is congratulations po sa panalo niya ngayon. And Kenji Moral with 26 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, and 4 steals. Now, my question is, ano sa tingin mo yung dahilan kaya nanalo kayo ngayon?
Siguro yung pinatrabaho sa amin ni Coach Alan na dumipensa kami. Sabi niya kasi kanina sa amin sa Dagaw na pag di kayo dumidepensa dyan, matatalo tayo. Kaya tinabaho namin. Yun.
Now, second, ano yung pakiramdam ng pagiging kampyonado?
Siyempre po masaya dahil on court pa namin, nag-champion kami. Pinaghirapan din namin po. Yun lang.
May gusto ka bang pasalamatan at batiin?
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay God na binigay niya yung champion sa amin. And sa mga coaches ko sa Delta, si Coach Alan, Coach George, Coach Totoy, Coach Mar, and sa Governor Dennis Delta Pineda po. And sa Pradera family po, kay Boss Tatay po. And sa family ko nanonood dyan, Family Moral, Family Marquez, Family Sandigo po. And kay Lolo Oji, and kay Mika. And sa sa mga pinsan ko po dyan, sila QQ, Lola Cel, Lola Nestor, and sa girlfriend ko po, nasa UK, and sa pamilya niya din po. Yun lang.
Now, for our champion coach, Coach Alan Trinidad, now my question po is, ano po yung pakaramdam nyo dahil meron na naman pong kampyonado ang mga Kapampangan?
Siyempre, masaya para sa mga Kapampangan ng game na to, inalay namin sa kanila.
Paano nyo po pinatili yung pagiging Kapampangan nyo dahil natalo nyo po yung both local and international team?
Hindi, talagang ini-stick namin yung puro Kapampangan para ma-prove namin sa buong Pilipinas na yung mga Kapampangan naglilid na rin sa basketball ngayon.
May gusto po ba kayong batiin or pasalamatan po?
Unang-una, pinapasalamatan namin ang aming mahal na gobernador, si Governor Dennis Pineda, Vice Governor Lilia Pineda, BM Mylene Pineda Tayabyab, at si Tatay Bong Pineda, Congressman Dong Gonzales, Board Member Micah Gonzales, Councilor Brent Gonzales.
Now, once again, our best player of the game and the champion coach. Now, back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Kim. And again, our Sinag player of the game, walang iba kundi si Kenji Moral, and the champion coach once again, ha? Once again, dami na kasi titulo niyan ni Coach Alan Trinidad. Congratulations to them. And now, let's go over now to Ram Valid for the awarding ceremonies of our 17 under division.
And ladies and gentlemen, before we start the awarding ceremony, of course, we'd like to congratulate and give a big hand for the two teams who battled for an epic battle for the SLA Junior World Showcase 17 Under. Palakpakan po natin ang UBL San Felipe Inderi Catholic School and Pampanga Pradera for a great and epic battle. And it's time to award for the runner-up and a champion. And before that, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on Sir Eric Quintana, our Vice President of SLA International, Sir Eric Damian, Com Rodney Santos, and COO Leo Isaac to present the trophy, the medals, and the plaque. Ladies and gentlemen, the runner-up for the 17 Under for the SLA Junior World Showcase, your UBL San Felipe Inderi Catholic School. We have Sean Sibero, Jared Cruz, Kalen Taparon, Dino Pereira, Eman Lesama, Adrian Monregal, CJ Satparam, Charles David, Kian Loreto, Renzo Saigo, Sherwin Reyes, Jose Gonzalez, Datsy Babad, Tristan Lukman, and Alger Pasites. Our coaching staff, head coach Alan Salangzong, assistant coaches Hiner Lahoy, Paulo Delumen, Joshua Ton, John Rivera, Ferdinand Madrigal, and Adrian Garcia. Your runner-up for the SLA Junior World Showcase, your UBL San Felipe Inderi Catholic School. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our runner-up for the 17 Under of the SLA Junior World Showcase, UBL San Felipe Inderi Catholic School. And we request Sir Eric Quintana, Sir Eric Damian, Com Rodney Santos, and CEO Leo Isaac to please stay at the center of the court. And it's time to present the award for the best coach for the 17 Under Junior World Showcase, Coach Alan Trinidad. Congratulations, Coach Alan Trinidad. And the MVP for the SLA Junior World Showcase 17 Under, Chog Moran. Congratulations, Chog Moran, our MVP for the 17 Under SLA Junior World Showcase. And the champion for the 17 Under SLA Junior World Showcase, your Pampanga Pradera. Yeah, Ben Sabihidar, Gab Bricado, Christian Brigado, Alan Danon, Gail Guevara, Kenji Moral, Jackson Jackson, Yuan Menjola, Carl Figueroa, Roch Machas, Max Gonzalez, Yuan Sigwa, Justin Flores, Vince Santos, Gabriel Dagaas, Kurt Zapata, Jared Gabiola, and Ailey Guevara. Together with the West Coach Alan Trinidad, George Spalding, Aisel Santos, Mar Henson, and Totoy Marquez. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion for the 17 under of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, your Pampanga Pradera.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. We are the champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, the finals for the 19 under of the SLG.
And we have officially crowned our 17 under champions, the Pampanga Pradera. And that closes the chapter for our 17 under dito po sa inyong SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Muli, maraming salamat sa iyo, Coach Ernest. It will always be a pleasure working with you.
Yeah, thank you, Coach Alvin. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa mga times na magkasama tayo dito. Mag-panel, very enjoying. Thank you so much.
Oo nga naman. And right now, it also closes my time here for the SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Pero again, meron pa po tayong dalawang laro. Up next, it will be Lakas, California kontra Apalit I Love It. Together with the youngest wise man in Philippine basketball, Coach Pancho Alfonso, and the singing chief, Enzo Galarosa, doing that game for you. And once again, maraming salamat po for Kimberly Advincula, for Coach Ernest Alam. My name is Alvin Tanyada, and we'll see you for the 19 under finals of your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Peace!
Hindi pa tapos.
The assist, the leak out, Guevara once again.
Lahat, for sure, happy ang mga
ang ating production department. Congratulations kagad. Pakita sa studio. Wow!